To take high resolution photos on the Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all just go for your phone, for the photo mode click here and get this 50 megapixel mode and switch into the 3x4 to get the best possible quality. Next, you have to also remember to get a good lighting condition. If you don't have good lighting condition, you can always turn on that flashlight. And right now, what we have to do, just simply hold our phone as steady as possible and catch focus manually on the object that you want to make a photo by clicking on the screen. Now, while holding your phone steady, click on the shutter, and as you can see, the photo was taken. Now when you grab it and start zooming in, you can actually find a lot of things on this photo, even so gross things on my ear tip on the AirPods. Some pieces of the dust, something that you actually cannot see right here. So that's basically how you can do this. I hope you find that useful.